Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 2, Lesson 4, Part 3. Dear children, we were studying about keyboards and its special keys. So, today in this chapter, we have already done the alphabet key, number key, the special keys that have special symbols, and spacebar key we have done. I have explained you caps lock key, enter key, arrow key, and now today I am going to start page number 37 and 38 of lesson 4. So open page number 37 and 38 for that. Let's start with backspace key again. Dear children, the backspace key is used to remove or erase or eliminate any letter which is present at the left side of the cursor. Now, the delete key erases any letter at the right side of the cursor. Next is punctuation key. Punctuation key, the punctuation marks are the special symbols which are used while writing a paragraph or a sentence. These special symbols or these punctuation marks brings more clarity in a language. Some commonly used punctuation marks that we all use are full stop, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, etc. Now, combination keys. The combination key present on the keyboard can be used along with another key for doing a particular operation. These special combination keys are the Shift, Control and Alt. The picture has been given on the right side of your page. The same is displayed on the screen also in the right side. So, Shift key. Shift key is used to type the special symbols and punctuation mark present on the upper part. There are two Shift keys present on the left and right side of the keyboard. User can hold down the Shift key and press the number 1, by which you can get the exclamation mark while typing and can be seen on the monitor with the help of Shift key. We can also type alphabets in capital letter even when the caps lock is turned off. Now, control key. The control key is known by its shortcut control. It is used with another key to perform certain actions. Like some of the shortcuts you must learn is Control plus Home, by which you can move the cursor to the top of your document. Control plus End is used to move the cursor to the end of the document. The Alt plus F4 is pressed together. You can close a program, and if you press Control plus Alt along with the delete key, you can even shut down the computer. Dear children, go through the chapter well. I'll again teach you in Zoom classes, and the previous topics. Go through it again, do a revision work. You can do the revision work with the link posted earlier. So till then, go through the chapters. If any problem, you can ask during the Zoom classes and solve your problems. Take care. Thank you.